First, we'll heat the water to 160 Fahrenheit. Once it reaches temperature, we'll place the splint in the water for 30 to 60 seconds, just until the material becomes soft. When ready, we'll cool it briefly to a comfortable temperature and place it in your mouth. Once it's positioned, I'll have you bite down gently. Once fitted, cool splint under cold water until hardened. Alright, so now to keep your dental appliance clean, make sure you clean it daily after each use. Storage it in a clean and dry appliance. Do not soak your appliance in any cleaning solutions. Avoid toothpaste and remove your appliance before eating or drinking.